Hey everyone, I'm going to try something new for me. I have started interpreting since finding that I am losing my hearing. So now I really want to try to sign for some of our videos that I make here on YouTube. It's all new to me, but I want to try. I know I am not perfect with ASL, but I want to try, and ASL is now my language to use to communicate with people. For now, I can still talk. I can hear some, but I really want to try. And I know my new deaf friends sometimes watch, and I want them to be included in our community here on YouTube. So now I want to try. I'm slow to talk when I'm signing, but I'm trying, and I would love to have some feedback. We sign that different here in Tennessee than some places. We sign that feedback, but as you can see behind me, we were busy all weekend. We traveled to a deaf teen rally. It's kind of like a party, but with preaching and teaching and lots of fun. So now we have lots of chores to do. So now I want to bring you with me. I'm going to be cleaning today and bring you with me through my day. So this is a cleaning day after, I don't remember, it's either after or after AFTER, after busy weekend, 4-day weekend. So now we are gonna clean together. Next thing I need to work on is more laundry all day. But this is work clothes for my husband. He needs them in vacation week. We did not have laundry come for his work clothes, so now I have to wash them, and then I have to take care of my husband's clothes. So now I need to move them, wash them, put them on hangers. So now ERS, hangers, thing you put clothes when they're finished clean. So now that's what I'm going to do. But the kids are kind of just resting, relaxing, playing video games, and I'm fine with that because they worked hard all morning.